Um, shopping with her. She ain't here buying cheap stuff. I tell her, quit buying cheap stuff because it's about the taste.
Cause he ain't got
It's
no
not
damn
about how
mind.
much it costs.
Hey, how you doing?
But she like to buy cheap stuff, so that's what she gonna eat. I'm getting hell nah. Get my own stuff. Look at her. Look. Why would she pick? Look at juice she buy. Look at juice she buy. And look at cheese she buy.
And look at this side.
Ain't that something? She'll buy the Howard brand juice and she will the Howard brand food.
Go to the car. You act like a
Nah,
Creole.
we rocking together. We together. Yeah, we is. Look how folks put stuff back. Look at that. They don't go over here. Plate on Powerade in the chip aisle. The pallet stuff, they used to do that. Yeah. Never want to work a 9 to 5 ever again. Never ever. I told my mama I'd give her $1,000 if she lose 100 pounds by the end of this year. Look, she got.
And he don't work nowhere. Where you gonna get 1,000 from?
Ha ha. Nah, I ain't looking for no garlic bread. I'm looking at what you picking up. Cause this ain't what you supposed to be getting. Yeah, that's what he said. That's what he said.
He lied. I gotta get.
Yeah, he said that garlic toast was down on the end and that's what he said.
Oh, there it is.
See, she made a bet, right? And the bet was, she said the school wasn't gonna be open. She tried to tell me about my school. The school wasn't gonna be open. And I already knew the school wasn't gonna be open, so I made a bet with her because she was on the school wasn't gonna be open. So I was like, you sure you wanna bet? She was like, okay. So I tried to be, you know what I'm saying? I said $5. She said, yeah, $5. With it, $5. So I was like, all right. She said 500. So I was like, okay. You know what? Instead of 500, give me the PlayStation 5 that come out. You feel what I'm saying? So she lost. Now she don't want to pay up. You like to explain why you don't want to pay up? Look. She don't even know these folks on her purse. Got all types of purse. And she choose to wear this. Don't touch that unless she tell you touch because she gonna start right there crying. You know what I'm saying?
D'Angelo Star is a motherfucker anyway.
Don't be saying my slave name. I didn't ask for that name. I was given that name. Okay? Like a slave. Oh. But it got a case on it. Nah. I got insurance. That's why you make sure you keep that on everything. So it don't matter what happened to it. You can always get it back.
Get this fly.
Get a fly swallow and kill the fly. Fly gonna die, man. About to try to kill a fly. Look. Trying to fight the fly. Find it.
Where he went?
I don't know where he went.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
What?
See, that's how you do it. How you do it. Y'all see that fly right there? See that fly right there? See it? Watch. Watch this how you do it right here. This how you do it. Woo!
Breaking in trash.
Got that boy. That boy was eating good. Look at him. That's how you do it right there. How you smack a Rooney. Put him in the trash can. Smack a Rooney. See all that chicken I cut up by myself. By myself.
Yeah, so what?
Ain't nobody help me or nothing. Look. Look. Look, she in the kitchen. Ain't nobody help me do none of that. I'm trying to tell you, boy, I do too much around here, man. I do too much in their family to be disrespected the way I be disrespected. You hear me? Look, she want me to cut some great value cheese. The cheese don't even
Not
cut.
at my table. Not at my table.
See what she be doing. See what she be doing.
You put the cheese in here when you get it cut in blocks.
She want me to cut. Look at that cheese. How you cut through that?
Get some salt cheese.
It's soft? How you know it's soft? Cheese.
Yes, it is.
Look, she told me to cut up, but look what she doing. She want me to cut it, but look what she doing.
Like that. Then go back.
I asked her,
Go back and cut it like that.
why am I here?
After you cut it all up like
You
that.
feel what I'm saying? I ask her all the time, why am I here?
There you go.
I want her, you know what? Here's what I want you to do. Here's what I want you to do. See this? She ain't got no gloves. No.
It's some gloves right
When I...
there.
Where the gloves at?
On the table.
When I was doing it every day. When I was doing it every day. Every day when I was doing this. We had gloves on. I used to do this every day. Just like that. Ain't nobody say nothing because they know how to cook. You know what I'm saying?
I hope you're
That's what
moving
she don't
faster
know.
than that.
Haters. Everywhere we go. Everywhere we go, haters. Haters all around me. Haters all around me. That cheese tough, boy. That cheese tough. That cheese tough. You know what I'm saying? That cheese tough. When I get cheese cut up. So we'll be touching this stuff with your bare hand.
Not like that, D.
What
I
you-
said cut it in. I said you cut it like this. I demonstrated and showed you how to do it. Man, you slow as a goddamn brick.
You just cut it.
Butter
the
won't
exact
even
way
melt
I
on your
just
ass.
Told you,
I told you to.
That's how you told me to cut it.
I said cut it like this. Then
No,
when you
you
get through
did
cutting
not.
it like that,
No,
I
you
said cut it like this.
Oh.
Goddamn
You know what?
slow
I'm glad I
motherfucking.
won't record so I can show
slow
you
and motherfucking
exactly
cripple
what
time.
you would.
Don't make no goddamn sense. Nobody be so goddamn slow.
Man.
I
you know
said,
what?
how you
That
gonna-
ain't what you said, do, man.
It is.
That is not what you said, do. That is not what you said, do. And then you finna cut it again, ain't you?
Yeah, because they're supposed to be in
Because
the
that ain't what you
gloves.
said to do.
And then I said put it in there.
You said cut the cheese. You said cut the cheese horizontal. Horizontal. And that was it.
That ain't what I said, nigga. That's how your mind is. That's how your mind operates.
When them children get old,
Slow.
look at this stuff already stuck together. When these children get old, stuff already stuck together. They ain't gonna know who did that. They ain't even know.
It ain't but one person that did it.
They need two of them.
Yeah, but it ain't but one person that did both
Look
of
at
them.
this stuff together. Look at this stuff together. You know, I'd be so mad. When I got older, and you had my stuff and it was stuck together, I can't even see the other one. It's hot, boy. You know what hot boy is? That's what I'd be right now. And you got my stuff stuck together.